students, today we are going to discuss about very important topic, that is derivation of quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is used to find out the solution of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And here if you want to find out the value of x, then we use the quadratic formula. So in this lecture we will see how to derive that quadratic formula. We can derive the quadratic formula by using completing the square method. Here the equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the first step is we will divide the equation by a. So if you divide this quadratic equation by a, then we will get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. Now take this c upon a into the right hand side. So this equation becomes x square plus b upon ax equal to this plus c upon a, going to right hand side become minus c upon a. So this is the second step. Now in the third step, we will add b upon 2a whole square on both sides. So if you add b by 2a whole square on both the side, then in the left side it becomes x square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a whole square, and on the right hand side it becomes c upon a plus b upon 2a whole square. So why we add b upon 2a whole square on the both sides? Because if you observe this left hand side, this becomes the identity. Which identity is this? We know the very well known identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you compare this identity with this left hand side equation, you can see this left hand side equation we can write this as x square plus 2ab plus b square. If you cancel out this 2 and 2, then it becomes b by ax. This is what b by ax is here, and b by 2a whole square. So we can write this left hand side as a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is b upon 2a whole square. That's why we add b upon 2 whole square on the both sides. So here we can simplify this left hand side as a plus b whole square. So we can write this left hand side as x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to this side, which is minus c upon a, plus b square upon 4a square. And so if you take the LCM here, the LCM will be 4a square. So here we will multiply 4a with this c, so it becomes 4ac plus b square. Now here we want to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, we will remove this square. So it becomes x plus b upon 2a is equal to, if you take this square to the right hand side, it becomes square root. It becomes a square root of minus 4ac plus b square, or you can write b square minus 4ac, and divide by under root of 4a square, that will be equal to 2a. So it will be x plus b upon 2a equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here we want to find out the value of x. So we will take this b upon 2a to the right hand side. So it becomes minus b upon 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Or if you take this 2a common, then here you will get x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is what we called a quadratic formula. To find out the solution of any quadratic equation, we can use this formula. Here this b square minus 4ac is also known as d, that is discriminant. Or we can rewrite this equation as x equal to minus b plus or minus under root d divided by 2a. So this is how we can derive the quadratic formula. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.